So welcome to the Rogue Trading Communities video, and in today's video we'll be talking about a live trade we have taken on a stock called HDFC Bank. Even previously we made a live trading analysis and we have uploaded in YouTube. We got the same kind of a setup, and today we have booked around 5,000 plus in terms of profits. Let me refresh it for you guys. Okay, just give me a minute. So the time right now is around 12:13. Okay, on 20th of January 2025, 12:13 p.m. And it was a good trade, and I thought I'll make a video for. Usually I don't make videos for this, but still I thought from hereby onwards, whenever I'm taking live trades, I'm gonna make these videos and I'm gonna share it with you guys. But anyways, first let's understand why did I take this trade, why did I select the stock, and where was the setup, and what was the entry, stop loss, target, what was it, every single thing I'm going to explain. And let me assure you this, we are the only trading community who are doing this in the entire internet. I can guarantee you that. Okay, but if you want to learn what we did, then watch this video until the end. Let's get started. So here I have a HDFC Bank monthly time frame. Let's start from a monthly time frame, because what we do is this is our framework. Okay, we do the multiple time frame analysis and then we look for an opportunities in the lower time frame. That's what we do it. So let's start from a monthly time frame and let's understand why did I select the stock first. Okay, why, where, and how. Why did I select the stock? Where it was the setup, and how did I take this trade? This is what we're gonna understand. Let's start with why. Okay. First thing, from a monthly time frame, as you can see, market is clearly creating an uptrend right here. Okay, clear cut uptrend. And here in the monthly time frame, it's kind of creating that shortening of thrust. Like in this, there's a distance. It's creating, the distance between the higher highs are getting reduced right here, indicating it could get into a consolidation in the upcoming days. So I feel some kind of a selling pressure from the higher side. If you see from a weekly time frame perspective, from a weekly time frame perspective, market created that down move. Okay, so market always creates higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs in an uptrend, and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows in a downtrend, right? If market has created sharp downfall, it has to create some kind of a bounce, right? So that was my intuition in terms of weekly time frame right here. Okay, in terms of daily, well, in the daily time frame, we had this consolidation right here. Okay, clear cut, market created an up move. From here, it started creating that consolidation. A buying climax, AR, secondary test, and up thrust, and market came back to this area. But if you observe the area properly, okay, if you observe the area properly here, market created a down move in a very sharp way. In the sense, a normal momentum would be lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. This is the normal momentum, but this was a very sharp down move. And this is where I had an understanding. If there is an extended impulse, there should be a corrective. In fact, I've captured a correctives momentum right here. Okay. In fact, the overall, even still we have a trade. Actually, I haven't taken the higher time frame trade. I'm going to explain it. Okay. Still we have a trade right now, but I'm going to explain that. Now, my intention is very simple. If I had an extended impulse, I should get some kind of a corrective, even if market wants to create a momentum up to the support area. This is the daily time frames view right here. Okay. If you go to an hourly time frame, clear cut, market was creating a down move, right? And here you see there was a consolidation right here. And as you guys know, if you are already a part of the rogue trading community, you know for a fact that we trade based on the 4 phases of the market. Right? What are the 4 phases of the market? Accumulation, reaccumulation zone, distribution zone, and redistribution zone. It always occurs in the market in any time frames out there. But since the structure was not very clear in the hourly time frame, I went to a 15-minute time frame right here. See, this was the consolidation. This was the overall Wyckoff schematic. We had it. Now, at this point of time, I cannot say this looks like a redistribution schematic or a reaccumulation zone or something like that. I cannot say. It is clear cut consolidation, a sideways market right here. Okay. So market was creating that consolidation since 14th of January. Okay. It is still in a consolidation. Now, look here. After creating that spring structure, you had this lower time frame consolidated spring right here. Again, one more consolidation within a consolidation. See, this is the speciality of Wyckoff schematics. You get opportunities on all the time frames out there. Okay, and no one's trading like how we are trading right here. Okay, observe carefully this section right here. Market created a spring, right? What is a spring? First of all, let's understand it. When you have a consolidation, market keeps testing above the resistance and below the support of a sideways market right here. So above the resistance is usually an upthrust, and below the support is usually a support, actually usually a spring, sorry. Okay, so usually a spring, and here we got the spring, but market started consolidating near that support level of the 15-minute time frame schematic. So I had a thought, if there is a consolidation, there should be a lower time frame schematic, right? So what I did, I went to even further lower time frame, which is a 1 minute time frame right here. See, let me load it. See, this was a thing. This was a spring of a 15-minute time frame, and market went into consolidation. That consolidation on the lower time frame had this buying climax, AR, upthrust. Market went into consolidation, clear cut. Today, this is the interesting part right here. Remember carefully. Today, market created a sharp downfall and again came back inside my value area. Indication of aggressive buyers in the market. And also, as you can see, this clear cut from a VSA perspective, does it look like a selling climax to you guys or a stopping volume? A clear cut stopping volume with this much volume. Now think about it. As a retail traders, can we create this much of volume? The answer is no. See, the normal volumes are 50K or something like that. The volume is visible here, okay, on the top, left corner. But all normal volumes are around 190, 110K and so on. But this was around almost a million volume right here. Million quantities has been traded at this point of time. So think about the aggressiveness right here. Think about the aggressiveness. If it was sellers, assuming there are some people who may ask it, sir, what if sellers are entering? That is the reason we may get a volume. If there was sellers, we should have gone a follow through towards the lower side, but we didn't. Guess what? We got a stopping volume and market started creating a momentum. A perfect signal of strength at the exact level. And also I made one more video, how to read the volumes the right way using market structure. You have to combine both market structure as well as volume spread analysis to understand where you should use volume spread analysis and where you shouldn't, right? Here, we got a perfect spring opportunity on the lower time frame and market again came back to this consolidation area. It went down, created a rejection, again came back to this inside area. This was an indication that clear cut, I have buyers right here. Clear cut. Now what I did next is that I waited for a breakout right here. Simple. So simple, I got this breakout, a lower low and then bounce. This break is what I have taken a trade, right? So if you go to the, the order book right here, let me go to the order book. Okay. So I've taken a trade at 1640. So where's the 1640 right here? This high. Okay. This high is what 1640 is all about. Okay. Around my stop loss was around this area. Clear cut. If it again comes back inside my area, it's a clear cut sign that market still has an intention to create a consolidation. It is not a reversal. Let's understand it. This is where the decision happens in the market. Okay. So this is where we have taken a trade. And my target was clear cut the 15-minute time frames creek area. 15-minute time frame creek. This is what the multi-level Wyckoff schematic trade is all about. Just like I explained in the previous live trading video. Okay. So let me drag the target for you guys so that you guys can understand. This was my target. Clear cut. I entered around 929, 930. I booked my returns around 1130 and so on. Okay. See, after we booked, see what happened. Market drastically created a down move. This is the level of accuracy we play. Right? This is the thing, it happens. If you understand the market, this is possible, right? Now, we still have an opportunity. We still have an opportunity to take a trade. In fact, I'm giving you this for absolutely free. What is that opportunity? Let me give you that. See, We have this 15-minute schematic. If you know, right, I've explained it. Here on the daily time frame, we know that market has to create some kind of a move, even if it has an intention to reach towards the support area of the higher time frame schematic. If this happens, at least you can capture this move right here. If you want to capture this move, you still have a 15 minutes consolidation right here. You can still take a trade based, because see, we trade based on volume spread analysis, and there's a law in the volume spread analysis. What is it called? It's called the law of cause versus effect. For NF cause, you have to get an NF effect. Let's say if you have a smaller consolidation, you should get a momentum. You get a smaller momentum. If it is a bigger consolidation, you will get a bigger momentum. That is the law of cause versus effect. For NF cause, you should get an effect no matter what. That effect is what we can still capture. You getting it? So at this point of time, see, one trade we have already taken. This is one separate trade. We don't have to compare both the trades. Let's understand it. One trade is over right here. We still have this 15-minute breakout trade right here. Okay, now we have to understand whether this 15-minute will provide a breakout or not. Once it reached, I have booked it. It may come back again. So that is the reason I booked it. Okay, now it may further consolidate at some point of time. It has to give you a breakout towards the higher side or a lower side. We don't know. But the overall indication, see, market came down, created a consolidation, again a buyer's aggressiveness. This is an indication that buyers are present right here comparatively. So market has been testing this creek area for a very long time, as you can see. It's been testing the area for a very long time. So now at some point of time, this has to get weaker, right? It has to give us the breakout. So that is the thing right here. Okay. So in terms of VSA also, we are getting a confirmation that strength is being built in the market. In terms of Wyckoff schematic also, we are saying that, this could turn into a kind of an accumulation zone and market could give us a breakout towards the higher side. In terms of market structure, simple higher highs and higher lows market structure, we know this is an extended impulse. There is a possibility that we will get a corrective, just some momentum. I'm not expecting a complete momentum towards the higher side. No, just some momentum. Even that small momentum in a daily time frame, just 2 or 3 candles in a daily time frame, it could be a huge momentum on a lower time frame, right? That's how it is. So even based on market structure, we can see that it could create a momentum. We don't know. Okay, even this 15-minute time frame, what I've mentioned right here, this could further create some kind of a lower time frame distribution zone and market could create a down move. Even this trade also I can take it. We get opportunities every single day just like this. And in fact, I'm going to keep making videos like this for you guys. Okay, whenever I take live trades, I'm going to make videos from hereby. I'm hoping I can make videos because I don't get enough time because I'm focused on other charts as well. You see, even in the other charts, like, I have Adani and literally, it created that down move. Again, we had this lower time frame consolidation. I wanted to capture this move, but unfortunately, I was not able to capture this momentum, right? I have multiple stocks. See, I missed this opportunity here today, right? Today, you had the same kind of a breakout. I missed this opportunity. Why? Because I was observing the HDFC Bank. That is the reason I completely missed this. Since I missed my entry, I don't want to take any kind of trades right here. I trade based on the 4 phases of the market, and that's what I trade, right? I had different stocks right here. Even see, this is the one. This is still in a consolidation. I'm still watching it. Okay. So like that. So there are multiple stocks out there. You get opportunities on a daily basis. It's just that you have to understand how you can take these kind of trades. That's it. Okay. I hope you understood how we have taken this trade and everything. Okay. I'm going to keep making these videos. So that's it for this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye and have a great day.